Welcome to the world of Geometry Dash. Have you ever wanted to make your own fast-paced, rhythm-based game? Today, I'll show you how to create your very own Geometry Dash game in Scratch. No advanced coding required. Geometry Dash is a super fun game where you control a square that jumps over obstacles to the beat of the music. It's all about timing, quick reactions, and a bit of creativity. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding expert or have a fancy computer. We'll use Scratch, a free and friendly tool from MIT, to build everything step by step. You'll learn how to make your square jump, add colorful obstacles, and create that awesome Geometry Dash vibe. By the end, you'll have your own playable Geometry Dash game to share and show off. So get ready, open up Scratch, and let's jump right into making Geometry Dash. Ready to make your own Geometry Dash game? Let's start by creating our main character, a simple, bold square. In Scratch, click the paintbrush icon to open the sprite editor. Use the rectangle tool to draw a perfect square. Make it bright and colorful. Give your square a fun name, maybe Dash or Blocky. This will be the hero that jumps through your level. Now let's design the world. Click the stage and choose a new backdrop. Use geometric patterns, stripes, triangles, or zigzags, and pick bold, bright colors. For the level layout, add rectangles and triangles as platforms and obstacles. Arrange them in a way that looks fun to jump across. Remember, Geometry Dash is all about color and shapes. Make your level pop with lots of bright, eye-catching designs. Once you're happy with your square and your world, you're ready to bring your game to life. Next up, we'll make your square move and jump. Now, let's make our own Geometry Dash game. In this game, you control a square that jumps over spikes and keeps moving forward on its own. First, select your square sprite. This will be your player character. To make the square jump, grab a when space key pressed block from the yellow events category. Underneath, add a change Y by block from the motion category. Set it to a positive number, like 15, so the square jumps up. Want to let players use the mouse too? Add a when this sprite clicked block and connect the same jump code. Now, let's make the square move forward automatically. Use a forever loop with a change X by block, set to a small number like 5. This way, your square keeps running, just like in Geometry Dash. Next, add some obstacles, like spikes, using new sprites. Place them along the path. To detect collisions, use an if-touching obstacle block. If your square touches a spike, you can make it go back to the start, or show a game over screen. Try it out. Press the spacebar or click to jump and see if you can dodge the spikes as your square races forward. Awesome! You've just programmed the main controls for your Geometry Dash game in Scratch. Ready to make your game more exciting? Let's add some obstacles, just like in Geometry Dash. First, draw a new sprite shaped like a triangle. This will be your spike. Make it bright and bold so it stands out. Place your spikes on the ground and on platforms. Try different positions to make your level challenging. Now let's talk gravity. Just like before, create a variable called gravity and use it to pull your square down so it jumps and falls realistically. Here comes the fun part, collision detection. In your code, use an if-touching spike block. If your square touches a spike, the game should reset. To reset, use a go to XY block to send your square back to the start whenever it hits a spike. Add a quick sound or flash for extra excitement. Now test your game. Jump, dodge, and see if your reset works. You've just built the core of a Geometry Dash style game, spikes, gravity, and all. Your Geometry Dash game is coming to life. Now, let's make it even more exciting by adding goals and challenges. First, let's add checkpoints. Checkpoints let players restart from a certain spot if they crash, instead of starting all over. In Scratch, create a new sprite for your checkpoint, like a flag or glowing orb. Place it along your level where you want players to respawn. Add code so that when your player touches the checkpoint, it saves their position. If they hit an obstacle, use a go to X, Y block to send them back to the last checkpoint. Next, let's add coins or collectibles. Draw a shiny coin or star sprite and scatter them throughout your level. Use code to make the collectible disappear and increase the score when your player touches it. Try placing some in tricky spots for an extra challenge. To make your level harder, add more spikes, moving platforms, or faster obstacles. The more creative you get, the more fun your game will be. Now let's add music and sound effects. In Scratch, click the Sounds tab to choose fun effects or upload your own. Add a music track to play in the background and use play sound blocks for jumps, crashes, or collecting coins. This makes your game feel rhythmic and exciting, just like Geometry Dash. With checkpoints, collectibles, tricky obstacles, and awesome music, your Geometry Dash game is now a real challenge. Keep experimenting and see how creative you can get. Wow! Look at what you've built! Your very own Geometry Dash game! You started with a blank screen, and now you have a game where you can jump, dodge, and dash through awesome levels. You designed your own character, created tricky obstacles, and programmed the rules that make everything work. That's amazing! You're officially a game developer. Give yourself a high five. Now test your game. Play through your level and see if you can beat your own high score. Is it too easy? Too hard? Are the jumps and dashes fun to pull off? If you want to change something, go for it. You have the power to tweak and improve every part. Make the spikes sharper, the jumps trickier, or the music even cooler. It's all up to you. Try adding new levels, your own sound effects, or wild new obstacles. You can even create custom music to make your game stand out. Experiment, remix, and play until your game feels just right. This is just the beginning of your game-making adventure. What wild ideas do you want to try next? Maybe a level with moving platforms or a boss battle. Add portals, speed boosts, or even invisible blocks. Let your imagination run wild. The more you build, the more you'll learn. Every new idea makes your game even cooler. When you're ready, hit share and let your friends play your Geometry Dash game. The Scratch community is waiting to see what you've made. Get feedback, remix, and inspire others. You have the tools, the creativity, and the skills. Go make something amazing. Try making a speedrun level, a music challenge, or a level with crazy gravity. The world of game creation is yours. I can't wait to see what you make next. Go, creator! Your Geometry Dash adventure has just begun.